on creating your own personal practice of meditation. I hope that you've been enjoying your 3 minutes each morning of practicing relaxing your body, sitting comfortably, and paying attention to breath. Now, there's a reason why I'm dressed like this in work clothes, and I want to make sure that you understand you don't need to be home or sitting on a cushion or in yoga clothes or even jeans and a t-shirt to really meditate and enjoy the benefits of it. You can be dressed up in a suit or heels and a skirt and be at work, and it will benefit you greatly. In fact, I'm often telling clients that when we're at work, if you're feeling stressed, anxious, overwhelmed, which I know happens, it is so helpful just to take a little break, whether that's 3 minutes or 15 minutes. In fact, if you have that one last hour of work and you have that long to-do list that we can all relate to, if you take just 15 minutes to sit and meditate, I guarantee you'll end up having 45 minutes of productivity in that last hour instead of just little chunks of time getting things done. So remember, you don't have to be in any certain attire or any certain place to meditate. You can do it anywhere and in any kind of clothing. So again, just be comfortable and pay attention to your breath. And for now, don't think about those thoughts, that monkey mind yet. In the third video, I'll give you some great strategies to quieting that monkey mind. Today, what we're going to do is talk about my favorite breathing technique. It's called 3-5-7 breathing. And many of my clients have said it's their favorite as well. In fact, one reason it's a favorite is it does help you to not pay attention to that monkey mind. So before we get started, I want to ask you to make sure that this is feeling safe and comfortable for your body. Let me fill you in on all the instructions. And if you have any health concerns or medical issues, please check with your physician and make sure that this is safe for you to do, because we'll be doing some really deep inhalations and some really complete exhalations. So we can get started. So let me first explain that most people breathe too frequently and too shallowly. For most of us, we breathe 12 or 13 times a minute, when actually a healthy way of breathing is 6, 7, maybe 8 times a minute. So what we're doing is breathing in and out, in and out. So this breathing technique is going to help you to slow that down, to inhale and to hold on to that oxygen for a few moments, and then exhale more completely and hold your lungs empty for a few moments. I guarantee you that by the end of this, you will feel so relaxed and peaceful. Everybody I've taught this to has said how relaxed and peaceful they are. So let's give it a shot. Let me explain it first, and then we'll try it. So the first one you're going to do is think about the count of 3. I often show a square for this to help you remember. What we're going to do is you're going to inhale for the count of 3, just maybe on like a 1-second count. 1, 2, 3. And then on that same count, you're going to hold the oxygen for the count of 3. Then you're going to exhale for the count of 3. And then hold your lungs empty for the count of 3. So just imagine going around this square. So you're inhaling, holding the oxygen, exhaling, and then holding your lungs empty for the count of 3. So let's give that a quick shot. I'll walk you through it, and then we'll just sit for a second and you can try it on your own count. So again, just like we talked about in the previous video, totally relax your body, sit comfortably, close your eyes, make sure everything's relaxed from head to toe. Rest your hands somewhere so your shoulders can soften. And just take a strong exhalation and then inhale. So you'll inhale 2, 3, and hold that oxygen 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, and hold your lungs empty 2, 3. Let's try it a couple more times. So inhale 2, 3. Hold that oxygen, 2, 3, exhale, 2, 3, and hold your lungs empty, 2, 3. And go one more time on your own. Inhaling, pretty easy, right? So that's the first step. You're just going to inhale for 3, hold that oxygen for 3, exhale, and hold your lungs empty. So that's the first step. I'm going to teach you the second step and then the third, and then you can try it all together. So the next step is increasing your inhalations and your exhalations, but you don't increase the holding of the oxygen. Otherwise, you're going to get really dizzy. So you're going to, let me show you a shape for this one too. This often helps people. Just think of it now as a rectangle. So you're going to inhale for the count of 5, and then hold that oxygen for the count of 3, not 5. Exhale for the count of 5, and then hold your lungs empty for the count of 3. So you're going 5 for your inhale, hold for 3, exhale for 5, and hold for 3. All right, pretty simple. So I'll walk you through it quickly again, and then you can try it on your own. So back to relaxing. Let any stress go. Just totally relax. There's no reason for you to be holding tension during this video. And take a deep breath. And if you're comfortable, close your eyes or look at a space right in front of you. Otherwise, it's kind of creepy because I'm closing my eyes. I feel like everyone's watching me. So just relax. And let's take an exhale together. And then inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold that oxygen, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold your lungs empty, 2, 3. Let's go again. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold, 2, 3. Try it once more on your own, just inhaling and holding. Exhale and holding your lungs empty. Not too bad, huh? So hopefully you're feeling even more relaxed. And what's happening is you're bringing in that oxygen more deeply, and you're actually letting it bless your body by holding onto it in your lungs. And then exhaling more completely, just feeling that relaxation. So just fall right into it. All right, so there's one more step, and that is to increase your inhalations and your exhalations to 7. Now, if this, again, I want to warn you, if this feels like too much, I've had clients who have had health concerns or issues, and 7 is really too deep for them. Please just stay at 5. Do whatever your body tells you is comfortable, and honor what your body's telling you. But again, think of it as a rectangle. You're going to be inhaling for the count of 7, holding that oxygen, exhaling for the count of 7, and holding your lungs empty for 3. So 7, 3, 7, 3. And this is the last step, and we'll tie it all together. All right, so again, let's just relax. Make sure everything is relaxed in your body. Your shoulders, your eyes are closed gently, a little space between your upper and lower teeth. And take an exhalation, and then begin inhaling. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold, 2, 3. Let's do that again, and inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold, empty lungs. Try to get on your own, inhaling and holding and exhaling. And holding empty lungs. Hopefully you're feeling just even more relaxed, more deeply relaxed, and we're going to tie it all together next. So now what I want to encourage you to do is to try this all together without me chit-chatting throughout it. And so sit down now, or very, very soon, sit down quietly, do everything we've talked about so far, getting into a comfortable position, relaxing your whole body, and just tune into this breath work of 3, 5, 7. So start with 3, maybe do that round 2 or 3 times, and then go up to the 5 count, 2 or 3 times of that, and then go to the 7 count, and again do that one 2 or 3 times. And then when you're done with all 3 counting strategies, then just sit for a minute or 2 on your own and just really tune into your body. Feel your oxygen entering your body and your exhalations real completely, and just really feel how relaxed you are. I guarantee you're going to love how your body feels. And just for fun, take a glance at your watch or the time before you begin, and then go through all 3, 5, 7, a few times for each, and then sit for a quiet minute or 2, and then look at your watch. I think you'll be surprised at how long you just sat quietly, and your body, mind, and spirit will thank you because you'll be so relaxed and peaceful. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this breathing technique and that you use it to bless yourself every day. I'll see you in a couple days, and we'll talk about that monkey mind.